Listen to what I'm going to say now. About this guy. About this guy called the bear. Now listen to me. This is a Russia. Nah? What is this? Russia, I think they have the eagle emblem. How many countries have the eagle? The eagle is Zimbabwe. I was there. It's the eagle. The emblem is Zimbabwe. It's the eagle. The emblem is Rome is an eagle. The emblem is Catholic is an eagle. The emblem is USA is an eagle. Then Russia also has an eagle, also a bear. Now, when you look at this, you see Russia as a Ganda. That is why you see this AK-47 come from Russia. AK, it's Russian. Maybe it's good in Morocco, something like that. But it's Russian. You know, there's a song, but it's Okali Rasha. Rasha. Is that guy? Now, but the Rasha is Okala. My mama Kami is Okali sponsors Russia. They have an AK-47 and a flying. Now, listen, look at this. Now, there's one thing about the bear. I want to explain something. One thing about the bear that is dangerous. A bear can hibernate for months. A bear can hibernate for months without eating. When a bear hibernates, nayiphuma lapho ilambile iwomile ikwatile. When a bear hibernates, when it gets out of there, it's no longer the same. Nayiphuma lapha, it wants to eat, it wants to hunt, it wants to kill, it wants to devour, it wants to satisfy its stomach, whatever. Sometimes the bear kill even its young cub when it is too hungry. Ngoba nayifika ifuna ukudominate. Remember ukuthi umuntu olambile akana peace.
Amen.
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 Amen. Endlini nangaphekanga or utolfanga phekanga yabo ukuthi kushota something. You can't expect me to smile the whole day. I'm hungry. What kind of a peace am I going to produce? Ngiyenzeni? Ngilambile. Ngifuna ukuthula, ngifuna ukudla. You understand? Now watch now. Now the bear here. Lalela Rome. Ubani? Which means Roman Catholic Church did something. And he's on Mangas. Rome did something to Russia. And that's why Russia turned to be a beast. In Rome, during the pre-17th, when Lenin was a leader, when Lenin was a leader in Rome, something happened.